Disabe the other one minye mo na to
ho asamarange nti no ane pay mo na achi obi biara wo Ghana ha de mizine fantidol na ameze mfiri ogwa akoto jojuru ba wogu honu tano edosa wonye apem kwanya apem entum hwan eyi ogwadan na ogwa anyo obi ensam na ze mo ni nyinara wo ha de nanso no wo ba yentwa ye ho kakra na mempesi kakra na moba entertainment nsam ni nyina mo ha de meze bosumo enyem ba ya adwende se nkwancha na haze ye fewa wodi sika na woze ye nti no anepei no chodo se de mutwamo kakra na me gise kakra na metum na ma ye me bibiara ye fefefew o ha de na mamomfa wura enije nkomom na menye wulure enije mbonsam oye ndedanya me ye MoG Adom amotum was a new wine concert no was a bay na concert na say ye dododo so ye hu ne bibi sonku bi ezefa MoG ho enyim na MoG otum obo trumpeter so wo from no totoba nto no oya ze wo ho papa na dada ehwe oya artist wo full stage na hwe nyimpa dom do okogu honom ina enije sam okodo wo honom a sama ma nhwe kakra na ma nyaze nti no ma yehwe MoG ni wine concert no zo okodo wo honom dada no yehwe kakra no say shares or kodia na itum hunda endeda MoG ne concert no na see ye dawie papa na Moses the mission way onkoma nyame onzinka no nkoma otwedua ponkwame na onsan onkoma MoG ni team na onsan onkoma MoG nara onsan onkoma honoma wo be perform e waze na ase na onsan onkoma honoma wo be betena ase e be begie honenwa na wo be betena ase e be bo soro nyame onsan ne hu dem okodi na oye kama ye papa nkobia no aye wo ho papa na mayamfiri ho no me na mu fon tu fa intina no mado intu pa nkwa brochi mem in New York can promise oye weekend no so ye no concerts o New York na osa onwa onsa okache ti kokosha bra It's no can promise no concert or called do in New York and a mama shake a credit. Now, Mamma can sure day. Oh, yeah, Ghana Music Awards, TGMA, this year, no, or papa, no, but tomorrow being artist of the year. Into no, you may be the ma, marking and a year marking, no. It's say, I had also your favorite, was not to Aba, Famano. Na ontum na onwin inti no ma yemfiri ho no me na yembasin nko kidi ho abrenti aba no good news was abraham on internet no don da o ye ni just some papa 100 million streams o boom play nyimpa 100 million so men comparable translate o ma o menya botarada and we stream no nyom o boom play it's boom play for a brand bibi kakra ma yenko sheza kidi na sakeno. No sugar daddy in 100 million girls them sugar kiddie in a win 100 million. Congratulations kasi uncle mano yerbo na about o Sundays why you know why as ye papa to no so be as na oye ni ya wo bona about one pim na into no kiddie Indian na mesana mejna kidi honum na maka sure there orichimo as album for reba na album no is no other no oye nika papa me yente no obobo album nizin actually him.
There's anywhere before. My new album coming this year is going to be called
What's Next?
So we're gearing up towards my new album coming.
Sheesh.
Probably. It was supposed to come last year, but you know, weren't ready then. But this year is coming, fingers crossed. Just I think a few more weeks or months. We're nearly there, you know.
Do we have a name for it?
Oh, we've had a name for it, but we're waiting.
What's the name? Is it Sweet Tooth? Is it Sugar Master?
You know, we already had a Sugar album.
Okay.
Golden Boy.
Golden Boy.
We had the Blue EP. We had Foreplay.
Foreplay, yeah.
This one, should I even tell you the name?
I think you should, man. Let's make it a big announcement, man.
Okay. I've not said this anywhere before.
Yeah.
But my new album coming this year is going to be called Where Do We Go From Here?
Sheesh. Where do we go from here?
Yeah.
And what date? Do we have a date for it?
No, fingers crossed. I've given you too much info already.
Do you have some features?
Yes, amazing features, amazing records, amazing producers. Like, I cannot wait for the world to hear this album, man. It's
Lom's gonna be.
You know, when I make all my albums in Ghana have one album of the year, so I know I have like a benchmark. I have like something to, you know, top up on. So this album is going to be out of this world.
Where do we go from here? Sheesh, you heard it.
Hey, Ghana fo, ye be secreto, he also all Canada. Watch na hen. Na yenko hen enyime. Kidi inyen was where do we go from here? Chede ye free ha. And hen na yeroko into no kidi ni new album ozreba no. Izina odado na ozama hen no ma yen free hono me. Na yenko socials no do. Ma yoro kase video bi a wapa buto gwa. Watch ma sak. We twini for fur. The style yan shada hunna da mada into no binim sinara binim sonyo ni bia na onye Shatta Wale gina hono ma work bonkomo into no so no kwa da Shatta na ranyo so onye mse Shatta so no kwa da Sarkodie na ranyo so sa kenye na ranyo awu ma yen kwahwe video no na waso draw conclusions it's no fatan another fatan yen hwe video no. Kamaka da nyimpa ze enyim no anapa enso kane anhwe no nyim enwumbre into no nke yize kinsak nara na ogi na hwei na so se de style ofata no anade on fata no meja zamo na a comment na aka chwe hen there's a new looky oil ofel anade on your ofel na de yenso no yankwotete sak no na nka hwei na enyim ana yenko henenyim na say yereko henenyima oye Americani mtunyi a osan otwasene nti no oye actor wa bonyum da memo mechemure wa bonyum da Idris Alba a osan oye Ghanaian Ghana ha no ofri abente ba na abakroma ha na za ochira nyinara nyi de opedo oye film studio o Ghana me kese ohina owa asasa yetina dui acha na asase oncher yebo do listen film studio no owodo ye good news papa ezema hen Ghana for me yeke hwe zo kodo wo hono.
And that's why I partnered with our brothers. We want to get your blessings, His Excellency, His Royal Majesty, I beg your pardon. We want to get your blessings. We have earmarked the land beside the Osu Castle, where there is 22 acres of land that we have positions that could be a fantastic studio and school and community for Accra. And
welcome you to our midst. The Ghana state will support the studio. We will support it because I remember when I was in GBC training school.
Into no oyaga manche ni takiteko the second and at Yatsananka or Honor Chirma Sassi 22 acres ze obenye bizama brente bano ama we tum na we cinefilm studio o Ghana iye ni Jason papa Michael nanka abonsem kakra zama gamanche na asana abonsem ezama Idris Alba Sunday the why ye papa o ye papa the hona si the Africa he nyina no ihe Ghana fo na ya yentil aye onkokwa ma wetum na wabe ye bibidam ana worebe ye bibidam eze amahen inti no ye free honom na menyo nko Nigeria ne manimu America Africa asam inti na nka asam yize ya den konfom ho koso bi ni fi asam ze na say love and light nkoten tin mayima no efrim nanso no social asofo no warfare from papa menyo ka say two baba wo friend two face awara onye ne yer awar fefefo ani dibia no oye wakede we gwampo awara no egu yehunda ani dibia we delete ni nyama nyinara efru socials no do a chede clean seats oyaza or start for kra na menyore kase we change nizino no efri ani idibia ozako ani Macaulay ama eraba fofora ono no rebesina nanan ono wasanizin efri Natasha honorable Natasha abayen honorable Natasha idibia power must change hands into love and light to Annie riche more de busia fasi or danya ko fasi social media in laws ayakaja warman or the hinyina rasi de odru mo ayazina no yesan begina nechi na yebo kweman yakwa nkesi hwe wata odo mu yezan wafutu bia memfa mo obi a wato dom onte maame onye nte kra into no ze yeke ni nyinara no tu baba wanfa ze yeke nyina no two face wanfa into no ya za onye na we no eja ya wasesanizin wo socials no do e ma sisiara iraba foforo a onno orbe shanan honorable Natasha idibia na otsedo ajego na mizibesi ha na wo video na wareji wonanwa wo club honom na video no enyi honom za no aha na mezi Ahosepe no mizi besi na inde ahaba ye do ye papa inde kramofono worizi wanda sonko na so no inde esan 31st of March into no years Ghana month jumeza ye bebe ye ni ginara yazribe bogu into no ye jumezi sonko kra o studio hade menyoreka say matinye bebre o mihwini masana o mihwini musobolo o mihwini mu plantain chips o mihwini mu lamojin nyinara no waka fra papa o hade ye comedians also o fi hade presenters a wo shows no do nyinara wa session wonanta kama yezi wo nyinara bro na yetum na yeze Ghana month jumeza ye bezi de ye Adom fo de ye multimedia fo no yeza bewie nti mo sordo but mo kra madahara matokana nti no yente kidi for life no kakra na yedahara wo fi hade